Hey guys, Coach Corrections here. If you're watching this video, you're most likely looking to grow your business on Facebook to be able to get targeted leads in your network marketing or affiliate marketing business, and you want to do it in an automated way. So I use a tool called Social Prospector Pro, and in this video I want to go through the back office and show you what the back office looks like, so that you could get the tool and grow your business. Okay, so when you join Social Prospector Pro, which is a tool to automate getting leads, targeted leads in your business, so that they see what it is you're presenting, what you have to offer, etc., your profile, your Facebook groups, and things like that. It allows you to do all of those things. Okay. Now, when you come into the Social Prospector Pro back office, the first thing you're going to see is a dashboard. Okay. And it's going to show you basically all these things that are here on the side. Okay. So first thing is it walks you through getting started. It's going to show you exactly how to set up your back office. There's some tutorial videos which walk you through the different components of Social Prospector Pro. These two right here are upsells if you choose to purchase them. I purchased both of these. There's a conversions class and a proven post. That's that. There's recommended tools. So if you're looking for additional tools to grow your business, you can check those out. And then you can become an affiliate if you want to also refer this tool to other people who are looking to build their business on Facebook. There's an active Facebook group for Social Prospector Pro. It's highly active. You should join that group. And then if you ever need support, you can submit a ticket right from your back office. Okay, so let's go through some of these things and kind of show you what the back office is and what it looks like. So the first thing is to get started. There's going to be a video that's going to walk you through how to download the tool to your computer and how to run it, how to activate it and run it. Okay. The next thing that you're going to see in your back office is tutorial on every single feature that the program offers. So you can click on Inactive Friends Scan. It's going to explain what it is, what the inactive friends scan is, how you can remove inactive friends from your Facebook profile to help you with your engagement and your algorithm. It's going to show you how to run that tool in seconds a day. Okay, the post friender is going to run you through every single component. And these are short videos, like 3 minutes or less. Okay, so you can go through each one of those and it'll walk you through every feature of the Social Prospector tool. The next thing is recommended tools. Okay. And I think it's still loading. Hold on. Okay, so next it's going to run you through recommended tool. There's a tool that if you would like to add on to Social Prospector Pro, you have the option of doing that. And then there's how to apply to promote Social Prospector Pro. Okay, so what you would do is you would follow the directions here. And you would apply to become an affiliate and then save your affiliate ID here. Okay, so it tells you how to find your affiliate ID, and then you want to put your affiliate ID here and hit Save Affiliate ID. Okay, the next thing here's the thing that I found is pretty cool. Wow. So I was actually impressed. Okay, so one of the things that they do in Social Prospector Pro is there's training, and these trainings are so powerful. Okay, so it's not just giving you access to a tool, but it's giving you some training on no matter what niche you're in, whether you're in weight loss, whether you're a coach, whether you're, you make money online, work from home, credit repair. How do you build an audience that already wants what it is you have to offer? And how do you build know, like, and trust? And that's exactly what these trainings back here actually show you how to do. So when you click on the trainings, the first thing that you're going to get access to is a 5-week case study. Okay, and it tells you right here, this is a weekly case study of Rodney Stokes, who's the owner, building a list, and he shows you how he uses this tool week by week and strategically builds a Facebook audience of targeted leads. Okay, so then the next thing that you get access to is Facebook Live training. And if you haven't seen my other video on Social Prospector Pro, one of the reasons why you want to leverage this training is because one of the fastest ways to build know, like, and trust, and also warm up your audience and have them looking at what it is that you have to offer in your product, service, opportunity is to do Facebook Lives. Okay, so in this training, he takes the time to coach you on how to do effective Facebook Live, not just be ranting, not putting up lives without, I see a lot of people do lives with no hook, right? Hook meaning a headline. So nobody knows what you're talking about, right? How do you get hundreds of people looking at your lives, right? This is literally what the coaching is, and it's included with the tool. Pretty amazing, all right? Then he gives you some quick tips for success. How to find top groups in your niche. He tells you how to do that exactly, okay? How to find lookalike audiences, etc., and things like that, right? And even how to create multiple Facebook profiles without getting in Facebook jail, and a 4-step profile profit formula, okay? So this is pretty good. You know, even look at this. This is recently added. How to close a prospect via Facebook Messenger. This is another thing that gets a lot of network marketers and affiliate marketers. They get in the inbox and they like, or people hop in their inbox and they're like, oh, I don't know what to say. So he literally teaches you how to close a prospect via Facebook Messenger. I feel like the value is just awesome. So that's the training, and then you can play around with your settings and things like that. So that is the Social Prospector Pro back office in a nutshell. What I wanted to do is okay, I want to go over the bonuses that I give for people that pick up this tool to grow their Facebook targeted audience, targeted leads on Facebook. Okay, so the bonuses that I give, one, you're going to get access to my Facebook community where you can learn my secret strategies on making sales on Facebook. That's a $397 value. You're going to get my free demo checklist. I find out a lot of affiliate network marketers, they're doing things that they think are effective, but they're not really effective. So how do you know exactly what to do when you wake up in the morning so that you can grow your business every single day on Facebook and make sales? That's a $297 value. You're going to get access to that. Number 3, you're going to get free training on how to set up a lead trapping Facebook group in order to start building your list, okay, and making sales on autopilot through email, just like I do. So if you don't have an email list just yet, you're going to learn how you can set up a Facebook group and lead people from your Facebook group to your list and start building a list, okay? So $397 value. Number 4, one of the a very effective way to move your audience from being a cold audience to warm, to have know, like, and trust so that they do become leads and then sales, is to do Facebook Lives. It not only allows you great opportunities to share with your audience about why they should look at your product, services, and opportunity, but to have people moving, right? Telling them what to do, right? So you're going to get free training on how to use Facebook Lives for traffic. And I'm going to give you a shortcut on how to go live without necessarily being live. $297 value. Okay, so you're going to get, it's over $1,300, $1,388 in value when you pick up this tool. Okay, so if you're ready to do that, go ahead and check out the information beneath this video. And you'll be able to pick up the tool and start growing your business and get access to these resources. Okay, so that's that. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.